Meet FiloBot, a growing robot. Researchers have developed a robot that mimics the growth of a vine in response to light and pressure. The robot's head 3D prints into own body by melting and extruding plastic, which solidify upon cooling. Connected to a base by a thin hose, FiloBot elongates slowly, growing few millimeters per minute. This plant-inspired robot could be beneficial in scenarios like search and rescue mission, where it might be navigate unpredictable environments without disturbing unstable structure. The technology could have application in self-building infrastructure. So what are the other applications can you imagine for this innovative robot? Please tell me in the comment, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.